let's watch from the beginning. Cleans it, puts oil on it.
Yep. Oh, yes,
This is the batter. Mix little circles with it. I guess 4 across, and then maybe 3 rows. Three, 4, 3, 4. So levels it out.
Pour some each one. Pour some sauce over the whole. The ones.
And then puts the cabbage.
Make circles, and then at the end you pour some of the
A lot of cabbage.
batter on top of everything.
And then just put the egg in the center without cracking it first to warm up the egg. Must be a reason for it. Just put the eggs on. Now crack all the eggs open. He's fast. Actually, but he's putting them all into the trash. Okay, and that is like tiny little dry shrimp that you just put on. And that's bonito, which is dried fish flake. And that is the crunchy tempura bit, followed by really, really fine seaweed. And that is garlic, pickled garlic, maybe it's radish. Now it's time to flip because it's already cooked on the other side.
Inspired by the Frenchness of Alex.
I'm sorry. Sumimasen. Wow. Separated all of them. Now, here you go. Flip. Wow. Flip. Wow. Flip. Wow. Flip. Wow. Flip. Wow. Flip. So he cracks the egg when he flips it. Wow. Wow. That one. Another egg. Maybe miss the egg. Then it's the sauce. The sauce is salty and tangy. You can smell the sauce. You just know it's okonomiyaki. It's very similar to the sobayaki sauce. That's the sauce. Okay, maybe there's different mixes of the sauce. Let it cook on the outside. I remember now. So then you half it. So you can easily flip it. sit down. Let's sit. Oh, and now.
But he will never know where the egg was. Right.
Boy, I very fast, very accurate. Like he knows what he's doing.
下地がきれいに自分の後で出すので、そのまま3枚上げてください。
So, that's so good. I want to eat it. Oh, and put more sauce on the other side.
入りました。
じゃあこれやったら変わろう。はい。
みんなでゆっくり回してください。
ローテーションでやる。
And now, that's it. We're done. Ready to go to all the customers waiting in this line for it. All the way down to the end there. Yeah. Okay. This is our Okonomiyaki stall station. Please come if you get a chance to. We're here today and tomorrow.